Numbers in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. Numbers in Python are divided into three parts: integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. And simply they are defined as int, float, and complex classes in Python. In this lesson we are gonna use the type function. The type function is used to know which class a variable or a value belongs to. Very simply, if you wanna know what kind of data you are using, use the type function. Let's see this in action. Here in this example that you see, we have three variables that store three different values. The first one is integer data type 5. Integers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 and so on. The second one you see 3.5 is a floating point number, or you can say it's a float. Float numbers are the numbers that contain a decimal point. For example, 5 is integer. 5.5 or 5.0 or 5.1 or anything like that is considered a floating point number. And the third number that we have here is the third type, the complex number 2 plus 3j. In general, complex numbers are written in the form x plus yj, where x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. And here in this example we have 2 is the real part and 3j is the imaginary part. Now we will use the function called type to get the type of these data. In this case we have used the type function to know which class a variable or a value belongs to. And you can see 5 belongs to class int, 3.5 belongs to class float, and 2 plus 3j belongs to class complex. Amazing! This concept is very easy and simple, as you can see. Try this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.